So hey guys, my name is Keshav and you're watching TechEd. So let's go. So this is the 1 month free trial. In LinkedIn Learning we have this, and in today's video we are going to talk about graphic designing. So this is the free month trial. You can take it anytime, whenever you start LinkedIn Learning. You will definitely get a 1 month free trial. In that, any course you enroll, you will get a certificate of it, and no matter how much time you will take to complete it, you will get a certificate anyway. So these are the perks of it, and so go ahead for 1 month free trial. And now in today's video I'm going to talk about graphic designing, and this is the second best course after digital marketing. I made a video yesterday of it, you can check it out. And in LinkedIn Learning, this is a premium course of graphic designing, so you can go and check it out. So this is what you are going to learn, and this is the learning path. So first thing is, what is graphic designing? So this is the first course of this specialization. Then after this, the graphic designer career first step is the another course of it. And then introduction to graphic designing, these are the modules of the course. And after this, the graphic designing foundations of layout and compositions. And when you complete this, and you will go to the another topic called graphic designing foundation typography. After this, color for design and art. And when you complete this, you will go to Photoshop. Then Photoshop essential training will be you will be enrolling in. And then creative collaboration. So these are the 8 parts of this graphic designer specialization, or graphic designer to be a certified graphic designer. You can check this course out, the link is in the description. Then the things further is, you can apply for jobs and all through LinkedIn. So if you get a LinkedIn certificate, then it would be a plus point for it. And when you start a learning path, you will go into the course. And starting from the basic, and let me show you. This is the that's how the UI looks. So become a graphic designer. And then this is the course basically, and it inspire and all this, you can read it. Then build and explore and practice. You are going to do this in course, and then you will get a learning certificate, learning path qualifier, official academic credit for the selective university globally. This is written over here. So this is all about the certificate and start learning path. This is actually a 1 day 2 hour course. If we cluster up all the things which is in the course, it will take 1 day 2 hours if we watch continuously. So this is a section 1, what is graphic design. And you can start from here, and it is a 2 minute 49 second course. Basically a mini course, you can head on to it. And then graphic designer career, and these all courses I have told you few minutes before. So this is what you are going to learn in this. And these are the modules. This is the 2 hour module of graphic design foundation and layout and composition. And after this, the graphic design foundation is again 2 hour. Then color for design and art is 1 hour 45 minute by Jim. And InDesign 2021 essential training is of 5 hour. So you can check this out. This is again 45,000 learners are enrolled in it. Then Photoshop is another task, Illustrator, then creative collaboration, color trends. These are all the courses you have to go. Then you will earn a certificate. After doing all these courses, you will earn a specialist certificate of graphic designer. These are the creator of this course, these are the contributors of this course. So you can easily go through it. Okay, so let me show you how we are going to do this. So first of all, let's go to what is graphic design. So if I go to this, then let it load. Okay, so this is a video of 2 minute 49 seconds, and you can see that's how you can go through it. And this is only a single video. You can see 1000 active people are watching this right now. It means people are learning from here. Okay, this is the creator of the course. Then the course detail is also given. follow him on LinkedIn, it's your choice. So I have followed him. Now this is the course, and it's written all about it. Okay, this is the related courses. It means the course is very simple. It means this is a single video of this course you are going through. Okay, then there is a certificate. After completing this course, you will earn this certificate, and this is the related group for this. If you are a LinkedIn learner, you can join it. After reviewing, they will join me in this group. It is written what is this group about. Okay, so this is the new group. Now let's talk about the content. So this is basically a single content. Become a graphic designer. Of what is graphic design? If I open this is a video which is being played over here. Okay, so let's go back, and again when I go to it, this is a graphic design course. When again I let me complete it for you. Okay, so this is the only course over here for the first video. So after completing the video, you can see there is a thing called a start my free month. Unlock the full course today. Okay, after you start my free month, you will able to unlock the full course, but you are able to actually watch or learn from the course without certificate or with certificate. It depends on circumstances. Like for if I get my free month certificate, free month enrollment, I will get the certificate. Okay, so this is just a pop-up to show, else you can go through it, and that's how the course is all. Still you can this is basically a single video, that's why it is showing. This is the only content of this. So that you can see this is a blue line over here. It means I have completed this video of 2 minutes. Then 20 minutes is graphic design career. Now this is a long content course, so you have to do it. As you can see, there are okay, this is the thing. There are so many videos, so many topics. Okay, so this is the course, basically the course starting, and that's how you will do it. Okay, you can see that I am able to watch any video whatever I want, not even having a free month trial. It means it is free. Okay, so you can go through the content anytime, or anything you want to learn for free. This is the case of graphic design career first step. Okay, now you can see there is a green tick in it. It means I have completed it, and so on. You can complete the videos after watching it carefully, because I am doing it just to show you. You have to learn from it. Okay, the main thing is learning from it. This is how the Photoshop and Illustrator classes goes on, and you will learn from it. Then LinkedIn learning content is over here. These are the student intro active currently, then certificate and all. These are the things which goes on in this, and the skill covers are also written. Okay, so that's how the course look like. And if I just go to the let's go back. You can see this is the learning path. I am again going. I'm just trying to show you that it is free of cost. It's not that they are not showing the full videos or not giving the full content to us. You can take any course like color trends. I'm just going to color trends, and that's how the content is. Now you can see I am this is the content is fully accessible, and I can watch it completely, any video whatever I want to watch. That means the content is free. Okay, if they are showing 1 month free trial, just ignore it. If you get it, you will be benefited, because after getting a 1 month free, you can see this. Okay, all the course content I am getting, so this is a good thing. Remember, after getting a graphic designer course, you will able to apply to some jobs whatever you want. Thanks for watching, and this is for today only. And for more such videos, please subscribe. to this channel and like this video.